Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are using Vivaldi, just a quick video to let you know that the weekly security updates were quick to arrive this week in Vivaldi, which rolled out late yesterday in my region on the 12th. And over and above the Chromium security fixes that have rolled out for this week, we also get two fixes that have rolled out, one addressing another crash. And literally every update that has rolled out since the release of version 7, we are now sitting on version 7.1, has addressed some crash in the browser, which is a little bit concerning. But nonetheless, it does seem that Vivaldi is quick to try and sort these crash issues out in the browser. Now, just to have a look at the versions and builds after the update has been applied, everything stays the same for the Vivaldi browser. It's just a point release, bumping that up to 0.50. And the Chromium platform has been bumped up to 132.0.6834.208. And quick recap, because I did post on this earlier today, it does include 4 security fixes. They are all high severity, and they address common exploits in the Chromium browsers, which 2 of them are listed as use after free. One is inappropriate implementation, and the other is out of bounds memory access, and those are common exploits. And there are no critical and there are no 0 days that have been exploited in the wild, which is always good news. Now, just to focus on the fixes that have rolled out, as mentioned, there are 2. And regarding the crash, all Vivaldi has to say is there were frequent crashes for some users. That's all the specifics they give. So if you have had any instability or crashes in the browser, just double check you get this update sooner than later. And if you do use speed dial, now I don't, but if you do, apparently the page was scrolling down when clicking on an item. And this is actually the second update that has rolled out this week for the Vivaldi browser. And there was also a speed dial fix in the previous update that rolled out a day or so ago. So I'll leave that video linked down below and in the end screen if you would be interested. But nonetheless, that's our latest point release update for the browser and the Chromium engine, with 2 bug fixes and obviously those weekly Chromium security fixes. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.